We understand the nuances of Columbus and the different businesses that are involved here, the different industries that are, certain power players within our community. We've gotten to know them, we've gotten to know their needs, we've gotten to know the individuals associated with them. We always say here at Amundsen Davis, no one's gonna out-prepare us. We're gonna be the most prepared people in that room. We're gonna know every document that's in the file. Nothing's gonna surprise us. Even if a decision or a ruling may not go our way, we've already prepared for that.
I think any lawyer who gets engaged beyond the practice of law is going to become a better lawyer. You notice the individual lawyers who are more engaged beyond simply the technical aspect of law. If you're doing tax work, it's not going to matter. If you're into people, business, litigation, going to juries and knowing how to read people, relate to people, that's going to matter, and that's going to help them, and that's going to help the firm.
Oftentimes I tell young lawyers, no client walks in with a fact pattern like you get during a class in law school on a final exam. You have to probe, you have to ask questions, but in order to ask questions in a way in which you get real, authentic responses, you've got to know what questions to ask, and you've got to be able to build relationship. But because you've built that relationship, because you've been authentic in getting to know them, not just for a transactional outcome, but for a true relationship, you then get to know them, you can provide solutions, and you can help. But it all starts with relationship, and that relationship takes time.
So being able to serve on a board like the Contemporary Theater introduces me to new perspectives, allows me to build new relationships that I'm able to then bring to my clients here at the firm and kind of bring a fresh perspective for the work that I'm doing.
Mentorship matters. If we want to think about getting better, if we want our next generation of attorneys to continue to grow and expand and succeed, mentorship matters. And I'm fortunate. I'm in that place in life where I have mentors who are pouring into me and I'm pouring into others. And that's what helps us to continue to grow. If we want to look at the future of our firm, if we want to look at the future of our community here in Central Ohio, mentorship, investing in others, giving back, it matters.
You want to learn from the best, right? The way that we approach mentorship here at the firm is really organic, and it allows people to cultivate relationships with lawyers, whether it's in their practice group or not in their practice group. We provide those opportunities to sit down with them one-on-one, meet with them on the case that you're working on, but then also, learn about how they handle balancing work and life and the personal aspect that comes with being a lawyer as well.
Sometimes it can be so hard to understand what type of lawyer do you need, what type of experience should you be looking for, how do you vet and do due diligence on the legal providers that you have. But that's what I love about Amundsen Davis. If I don't do it, a partner, someone else in some part of the company, some part of the firm that can assist, that can provide the level of services that I'm comfortable putting in front of my clients when my clients have needs.
At Amundsen Davis, I think we're built for today, but I think we're built for tomorrow as well. We bring the energy of the next generation who are coming up behind them, sort of ready to take the baton and keep running with it. We know that our clients are planning for the future, and so are we.
When you talk about legacy, it's not about buildings, it's about people. And all of these things are about people. Not everyone is going to catch it. Not everyone's going to buy into it. But those that do, you see the benefit.